Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz. I want to show you how to select a database when you open up Act Premium Cloud. And in addition to that, I had a client ask me, can you have multiple databases in Act Premium Cloud? So you can have multiple databases in your Act Premium Cloud account. Now keep in mind there is some memory restrictions. You have a certain amount of storage space in Act Premium Cloud. And honestly, most of the storage space is taken up by attachments. So if you have a lot of attachments like Word documents or old emails, that can come into play. But you can have multiple databases in there. And what happens is when you open up Act, if you see this screen with the drop-down, if you click on the drop-down, these are the different databases I have in my Act Premium Cloud account. I have 4 different databases, and most of these are sample databases that I use for creating these tutorials. So, can you have multiple databases? Absolutely. What are the advantages of that? Well, potentially you can have this open on multiple computers where maybe one person's in one database and another person is in another database. And I have a client right now that is doing some scheduling, and he has 2 distinct parts of his business, and that's how this question came up, and that's why I recorded this video. So again, if you see the drop down, that's where you can have your database. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Bye now.